Hello everyone. Let us look at a project based on experimental study of couple mode flutter in an airfoil using the wind tunnel under the guidance of Professor Praveen Verekar. The project members are Joel Pacheco, Nathan Miranda, Joel Pereira, Benson Fernandez and Joel Culasso. We all know that wind energy is one of the major sources of renewable energy. It is clean, eco-friendly and widely distributed. The wind power or kinetic energy per unit time of airflow with uniform air velocity passing through rotor disc is proportional to the rotor area and cube of wind speed. Therefore, in order to capture more power from the wind, higher wind velocities and large rotors are needed.
Remarkably, by increasing the blade length, it tends to produce fluid-induced instabilities which can prove to be destructive. The main aim of our project is to determine the effect of chord length on the critical speed at which the flutter occurs. The flutter is an uncontained vibration due to aerodynamic parameters that can lead to destruction. Wind tunnels represent a useful tool for investigating various flow phenomena.
The following is the structure of the wind tunnel. The various sections of the wind tunnel are contraction chamber, test section and diffuser section. Consequently, the airfoil is mounted in the test section of the wind tunnel, supported by linear and torsional springs to allow pitch and plunge motion. As the air passes over the airfoil at lower speed, there is no flow separation. As the speed of the air increases, the airfoil overcomes the torsional stiffness and the angle of attack changes. Consequently, the dynamics of flow changes due to the motion of the airfoil, which in turn changes the flow. At a certain speed called the critical speed, a net negative damping is achieved, which causes uncontrolled vibration. We can use this project to demonstrate the flow of air over various objects and correlate with the theoretical aspects learned. The analysis done on the wind tunnel can be applied to real-life applications using dimensional similarities. Thank you.